Hello folks, in this video we're going to talk about motion director, one of the best way to create animation in iClone. The first step, as usual, is selecting the avatar. In here we select our avatar, and then on your left you should choose the animation folder, and inside the animation folder look for motion director, and depending on if you are choosing the male or female avatar, you should select either of these folders. We select male, and casual all, we drag it and drop it on our avatar. Okay, so this casual all is actually applying 3 different levels of walking, which is jog, walk, and stroll. So after applying this, we go to the tabs up here and window, workspace, and select motion director. So here we are in the motion director workspace. If you press a start button here, the actual process starts and you can move your avatar. The movement of the avatar is actually happening by pressing W, A, S, or D keyword on your keyboard. So if I press on start and then if I hit W, we can see it is moving. If I press D, it goes to right, and if I press A, it goes left, and if I press S, it goes back. As you can see on the top, there are 3 different levels of speed that you can increase the speed by pressing Shift key or decrease it by pressing Control. So I increase it to the highest level and then press W. You can see it is moving faster and faster. So 3 different animations also are available here. The first one, as you can see on the left button, if you press on 1, the avatar will jump, and if you press 2, you can see other animation, and if you press 3, start thinking. And in the middle of the animation you can press on either of the buttons, W, A, S, or D, and the animation continue walking. And on the left there's a stop button. When you finish the animation you can press on stop, and then here a clip is created. If you want to turn this clip into an animation and then use it, you should here create clip. Make sure that this cursor is at the beginning so that the animation is starting at the beginning of here. So I press and click create clip, and I wait until the clip turns to the animation and motion. Okay, the motion clip is actually created, so press on OK. We go to window, we back to workspace standard, and then if I press play here, the animation we created is playing now.